What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon, hope you're all having a great start of the weekend. And welcome to this video in which we're taking a look at Reef Finance again, or just simply Reef, I think we should call it. Which I wanted to make an update on that because we have actually been relatively bullish again with Reef, which I didn't expect, to be honest. So in this video I kind of wanted to take a look at what's going on, some news around it. That's always what I cover. But most importantly, the price, what's happening right now and what's most likely to happen next. I do have to say that this is more of a price analysis than a price prediction, just because I feel like some great things could happen for Reef, but there are basically two scenarios all around this 0.56 level, which could happen. And we're going to be talking about both scenarios, but I feel like both scenarios are 50%, like they're equally possible. So I won't be able to do a full prediction, but I will give you all the guidelines you will need to know what the price is doing. So before we get onto that, let's check it out. We're up about 12% right now. We're bullish compared to the market. Volume has soared again to 80 million, which is amazing. I mean, compare that over the last month. Volume of Reef has been pretty low, and right now, obviously, after that initial bull run, we had a very high volume of about 350 million. It's still very high compared to that market cap. I personally think Reef is a great layer one solution, but there's heavy competition, right, in crypto. All of those layer one solutions, layer one blockchains battling it out. Not all are going to win. I think Reef though has some utility. Apart from that, I don't think there's any big real news. It's a legit project. It's being developed, but no big news, I think. Well, the Reef card, which is great, but it's a listing on Biconomy. Altogether, I mean, the fundamentals are pretty bullish, but there's no big, like, huge news. So we are soaring. As you see from the analysis, I did expect that after breaking above this 0.5 cents level, we would get up to this level, and this is the most important part. Up to this level here between, like, at around 0.55 cents. So right here at like 5,500, that's 0.55 cents. You understand it. So this level between 0.55 and 0.57 cents is our main resistance level, and we're definitely going there. So I'm going to delete that. We're going there, but there it gets real interesting, because we're either going to get there and drop down to 0.5 cents and kind of stay around here. And then we still have the possibility to break above that, but we're either going to reject off of it and drop down to the 0.46 cents level. And then from here I'll update it again, because this actually does seem like a very strong level here between 0.45 and 0.46, and we got some EMAs coming up, so it's only getting stronger. But that's for the long term. I mean, on short term, we're either going to break above 0.57 cents and get up to that level at 0.66, and if the market is pretty bullish, we could go all the way up to 0.7. All right, so that's one scenario. Or we drop down. If we drop down, we still have one chance to find support at 0.52 cents and then get above that. That's possible, but that has to happen very quick. All right, and to be honest, I think that if we find resistance and we drop down to 0.5 cents again, I think it's more likely that then we'll also drop down to 0.46 and 0.45, and then I'll be back with another update. So those are the two scenarios, in my opinion. And I really feel like we're going to know which one of it's going to be in the next 24 hours. We're definitely reaching that area, as you can see. During the course of this video, we've already almost reached it, but like tomorrow, you'll know whether we have actually, I mean, if in the next 24 hours we actually close above that level on at least a 4-hour time frame, we have to be strict. Then we're going up back up to these levels and probably find resistance there, but we could continue all the way up to 0.7 or 0.72 cents. Or in the next 24 hours somewhere we reject back down, and once you see that we're rejecting back down, you can probably assume that we're going to go down to 0.5 cents, consolidate, and drop down to 0.45 cents later. So yeah, that's my full analysis on Reef. Quick little update. If you do have any questions still, which I understand, feel free to ask me down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Take care today, and bye.